It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. The Department of Agriculture is encouraging Western Visayans to be responsible rice consumers and avoid wastage. Data from the Philippine Statistics Authority showed at least 9 grams of rice per person goes to waste on a daily average. DA Region 6 Information Officer James Ogati said food wastage can usually be incurred during harvest time at home and in restaurants. During harvest, rice grains can be wasted when collecting rice for threshing or when using harvesters, which has prompted them to push for better farm mechanization and maintenance. As to households, Ogati said that leftovers must be avoided. He advised the public to estimate the rice they would need for cooking and ensure that it is entirely consumed by members of the household. The reminder is in line with the celebration of the National Rice Awareness Month this November. With plastic barriers no longer required in public utility jeepneys, the Iloilo City government is reiterating that drivers must comply with the 70% seating capacity. Executive Order 132, issued by Mayor Jerry P. Treñas, states that public utility vehicles are allowed to operate at full capacity and ditch plastic barriers, provided they maintain adequate social distancing and strictly observe other health protocols. However, City Councilor Duron said guidelines from the Department of Transportation must prevail, that drivers must comply with the 70% capacity seating. Duron is even proposing to put markings on passenger seats to ensure that physical distancing and the seating capacity is maintained. Iloilo City Loop Alliance of Jeepney Operators and Drivers Association President Raimundo Parcon backed Duron's proposal. Parcon said they are currently waiting for instructions if there will be alternatives to the plastic dividers. The number of flights between Manila and Bacolod City will increase starting November 15 until the end of the month. Negros Occidental Provincial Administrator Rayfrando Diaz said the provincial government will allow 1 scheduled flight daily per airline. With the increase in flight frequencies, Diaz hopes the current airline fare will decrease. Entry requirements will remain the same, with the use of the S-Pass system registration and a vaccination card or a negative RT-PCR test taken 72 hours prior to travel. Meanwhile, an influx in returning residents is expected in the coming holiday season, and Governor Eugenio Jose Lacson will issue an executive order anytime this week in light of the increasing flight frequencies. And those are tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Lusaria Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Join Panay News community on Viber. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.